Alright, now back up and Claire, stand still and look at Daddy. Can you do me a favor, Claire?
What?
Can you do the magic trick where you see two of me?
Ah!
Can you see two of me?
I see two.
You see two of me? Alright, here, let's get a little bit closer of you. Here, back up just a little bit. Gabe! Come on, dude. Come here, sweetheart. Right there. Alright, let me see two of you. Let me see two of me. Can you see? You see two of me?
Yeah.
This is so not good for your eyes, but it's so funny watching you do that.
Yeah.
Do you see two of me? Alright, now look at me straight, Claire. Look at me.
I see you.
You see, now just see one of me. Do you see just one of me now?
Yeah.
Alright, can you blow kisses to me? I love you, beautiful.
I love you too.
Here, both you and Gabe. I want to get both you and Gabe together. I love you both. Ooh, here, why don't you back up a little bit so you're not that close to the steps.
Gabe, need your high size. Your high size.
He can't. Can you see two of Daddy? Can you do two of Daddy? Look, can you see two?
I see two of you. I see two daddies. What's your mind?
I see. Alright, give hugs and kisses, guys. Alright, give big hugs, big hugs. Do you love each other?
Yeah.
Are you the best brother and sisters ever? Yeah? Alright. I love you. I love you, Gabe. I love you, Claire.
I love you.